Hi, my name's Dan, and I'm here with Expert Village today to talk about how to tie the girth hitch, which is also known as the cow hitch or the lark's head. You can tie it using a loop or a single strand of rope. To tie with a loop, you take a turn around your object, you go around its girth, hence the name, and feed your loop through. That's the girth hitch. It's self-tightening and very easy to untie. So I can tie it with the loop one more time. You just take a turn around your object and pull the end up. You can also tie it with a single strand by taking a bite or bending your rope, wrapping it around, then pulling both strands through the center. The girth hitch, lark's head, or cow knot.